Hey guys, it's Mike and Steven, Narc Selected Customs. We are fixing to pull the engine out of Atom Ant to take over for about the 50th time to take over to Josh Stites so he can, what does he call it? Dustless blast the all of the front end inside the trunk and some pieces on the inside of the car, so we can start putting everything back together and have it nice and have a good slate to start with. So I'll flip it to time lapse while we do this. All right, while Steven finishes that up, got a funny for you here. Steven put the bolt in, put the motor in, and now we can't get the bolt out. So it's welded in there. So to get the engine out, we gotta have this out of the way because it is still in the way there. So we're about to cut the bolt off. Check. Yeah, always think twice, cut once. And just like this, guys, it is torn down. Engine's out, suspension's off, rear suspension's off. All right, guys, next time you see this, it'll be all nicer than what it is now.
Yeah.
All right, I figured I would show you guys just a quick rundown before he takes it. So we're gonna have him work in the trunk, have him do like this little area here, so we can weld some plate in behind it to finish it. And then we're gonna have him do all of this up here, so. All right, guys, so the car is back. Steven's gonna give us an update in just a second. I just wanted to give you a rundown of all the parts. Most of the parts that go to this thing. They're all over there and back here.
Right there.
So,
More over there.
okay, give us a rundown.
Been a lot of sheet metal work today.
Yeah, let's show them that. Ugh.
Closed in the trunk area.
Yep, so here, let's get this.
I got a couple more spots to do.
All right, so that, he did the sheet metal up in here. Down, you can't really see it. There. Most of it over here. So obviously to close in the trunk, and then you take the light, doors and windshield over here, piping, intercooler piping.
Intercooler, right here.
Yeah. And then what'd you do up front?
This piece and this piece was the only ones I had left in the front today.
Okay. Hang on, let me get to this.
Got these on today. That way my fenders are nice and sturdy again.
Yeah. Yeah, they were kind of flimsy because obviously they were just welded in right back here from the factory. So he's got these in that'll also kind of help with some of the water spray here into the engine and stuff like that. So what we got left? Cut this little piece out here for the turbo, because this car is just a little different than the last car.
I got a little hole here to do, and then the other two main pieces are these right here. We'll go all the way down. Make all that nice and smooth.
Nice, so it'll look like the factory bottom.
Yep.
That's cool.
Yep.
All right, send them out.
Y'all subscribe to the channel and follow us on Facebook.